Alright, this is just a quick tutorial that I decided to make because my friend asked me how to do this. A tutorial on how to make like a unblocked games Google site, like if you're trying to play games in school or something. This is like some examples of mine that I have currently, and just how I embed the games into my site so they actually work. I'll just be showing that to y'all today. So first off, just make a blank site real quick. Test site. You don't have to do that. I'm just putting that as reference. Second of all, I'm just go to settings and go to navigation. I recommend putting it on the side. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, or you can put it at the top. And then go to pages. Just go ahead and make a new page. Call it like whatever game that you want. Like I'm just gonna put slope. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Slope.io, which is just a ball game. And then go to insert, embed, embed code. And then you're gonna go to a different website like Classroom 6X is a very popular unblocked games website with a ton of games, as you can see on the side. And then you'll go to their slope.io, which that's what it looks like, where you could find it on the side or search it up here. Click play on Classroom 6X. Take this quiz. What the? Man, I don't want to take a quiz. Alright, skip that. And then you right click on your mouse and then click inspect. I'm going to mute my desktop audio. Right click on your mouse, click inspect, and wait for this to load up. This is like just the code and stuff. Just wait for that to load up. Click this little box with the arrow on the top, and then go over to the game, select it. Then on the side it should say Canvas ID, and then have that. Just scroll down. Until you see HTML. And when you hover over the HTML, it should select the entire game. Right click the HTML, click edit as HTML, then you have all this. Just click Control A to select it all and Control C to copy it. Then once you have that, you can go back to your site, and where in the embed code part, click Control V to paste it all in. And then when you load it up, it'll pop up with this. Click, put it in. Then you'll have the slope unblock games. If you want to make it better and add a full screen, I'll show you that in a second. So then if I go ahead and publish my site, publish it. What just happened? Okay, now that it's published, I can just view my site real quick. This is my simple site that I made on slope.io. When I click this, play, I can play the game like normal. So yeah, you can keep doing this with all the other games on here. And if you think it's hard to memorize how to do it, it's really not. You can also use different websites. Make sure they're Google sites, it'll make it easier. And then that's pretty much it. But if you want to know how to do full screen, just go back, do the exact same thing that you did for the games, except instead of so then click this, and then instead of clicking on the game, click on the full screen. And then you could just do the button, or I like to go down and use the HTML instead of the button, because it just gives you the full thing. And then Control A, Control C, just like that. Go to embed code. And if you need to slow this video down, you can. Just put it in, and then it says play full screen. And then what it does when you click play full screen is it takes you to a different page, just a full screen page, a GitHub IO page, which is in full screen, which is the same game. So there you go. And then you could just publish your site. If when you make any changes, make sure to publish your site after you do that. It'll be pretty hard to search up your site and actually find it until it gets popular, but that's just a quick tutorial on how to make an unblocked game site. And I'm also gonna share my site that I've been working on for a long time. I've got a lot of games. It's called, I will put the link in the description. It has a lot of games over here that they're pretty much all unblocked in school. And I will put the link in the description if you want to visit my site. I'm trying to make it popular. So that's just a quick tutorial on how to make an unblocked game site. Yeah, that's it. You can close off this video now.